Dear students, research scholar and faculties of different colleges and universities. In this video, we will discuss acquisition and utilization of free digital elevation model, that is DEM data from Cartodem, SRTM and ALOS. Including these, we also discuss the acquisition of free digital elevation model data from OpenDem portal. Here you will see the global ready to use contour dataset in shape format. Before starting the videos, I would like to notice you to watch the video minutely for better understanding, so that at the end of the video you will be able to answer the quiz question correctly. The link has been given in the description drop down menu. Thanks to all for subscribing our channel and watching the other videos in this channel. Please subscribe the channel if yet not subscribed. Share it to the concerned learner groups. I will eagerly wait for your comments. Don't forget Now, data acquisition from ALOS. ALOS DEM, Advanced Land Observing Satellite, JAXA, Japan. Here, the three-dimensional DEM figure will be this type by using QGIS, and this is the ASF portal, and this is the canvas of QGIS, by which you can easily prepare this type of data and this type of digital elevation model by using QGIS, but we will discuss in detail the procedure in practical portion. To download the data, ALOS Pulsar high resolution terrain corrected data 12.5 meter. Write on Google asf.alaska.edu, asf.alaska.edu. Then the dialog box will appear, the portal will appear, then click on Vertex, find data. Here you will see the map and select the particular area of interest, then up and down and scroll the map and zoom in particular area. Here I need to download this portion, so select this area with a rectangle by this type and then click on ALOS Pulsar, dataset from ALOS Pulsar, then search, click on search. Then you will see the different scene on the map of your area of interest. Click on particular part, then you will see the selected portion scene corresponds with this, and then the red will gradually ups and downs by using these, and this particular portion, suppose you want to this portion, then click on this, and in this way, suppose this is this portion, this is red portion, that is the particular map area corresponds with it. This is the larger areas. In this way, you can select this different part of the area, then click on this particular map and you can see the condition. You can see this screen, this area also, and select the particular area you want to download. Here you can see the 5 files. Here the high resolution terrain corrected files, you have to download this portion. So click on it and then click the download file. The file will be downloaded automatically if you had already log in this portal. And here it is starts for downloading. Now in this way you can download the high resolution terrain corrected map, DEM map, from the ALOS Pulsar and on the NASA Earth Data portal. Now data acquisition from OpenDEM. OpenDEM portal, here you can easily download the global ready to use contour dataset in shape format. Based on SRTM, you can easily download this contour data in shapefile format, and after using the QGIS platform, you can easily convert this contour to DEM, and then the digital image, digital elevation data you can easily be able to prepare in this type. To download the data from OpenDEM, write on Google OpenDEM, and then click on www.opendem.info. Then you will see the portal. Then come on download and SRTM contour as SHP shapefile. You will be able to see this map. Click on the map and then zoom and drag the map of your interest and zoom it as you like. Then click on particular area of your interest. Here this portion we want to select this Siliguri area. So click on by pressing on Shift key on keyboard, select the area, and then OpenDEM global ready to use contour dataset in shape format will appear. Then you click on OpenDEM data as you like. Here click on first, then it will be start downloading. Keep it and then it will be starting for download. In this way, you can directly download the contour shapefile format data from OpenDem Global Ready-to-Use Contour dataset. Now, utilization of free digital elevation model data. First, terrain visualization, terrain analysis, watershed analysis, viewshed analysis, extraction of contour, rectification of satellite image. All these process of creation of this layout in QGIS we will discuss in practical class. Here the terrain visualization, contour map, here the watershed analysis map, here the 3D image, contour with 3D image, and here the rectification of satellite image source from IIRS ISRO Dehradun. Now to recap, in this video class we discuss acquisition of free digital elevation model data from Cartodem, SRTM, ALOS, acquisition of free global ready-to-use contour data, and utilization of free digital elevation model data for terrain visualization, terrain analysis, watershed analysis, extraction of contour, and rectification of satellite image. Watch the video minutely and answer the quiz question correctly. The quiz link has been given in the description drop-down menu. Dear students, if the video is needful for you, please share it to your friends and classmates in this pandemic period. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and put a like on this channel. I am also eagerly wait for your comments. Practice more and more and answer the quiz question correctly. With best wishes,